Hello, improvers. This is heel toe rodeo. 32 counts, 4 walls, 1 restart. We love it. Yes, let's do it. So we're going to start with stomp right, heel, and then we're going to go step toe, step heel. Okay, so from there we're going to come back with the left, and we are going to do a rock 360 shuffle. So rock, you want to do it in an angle so it allows you to prep for that big huge spin. So that is rock right, recover, shuffle, shuffle all the way around with that right. So if you notice the toe is sideways, you're going to bring the left again, rock the same way. However, 360 two-step. So rock the left, recover, step, step, coaster back. Super awesome. Here we're going to do a kickball chain after that coaster. Continues with toe points. So right point, left point, and then to right point and point. Cellular goes back with the right. Quarter turn to the left with another cellular. Now we're going to do a two-step half turn walk. Not a pivot, don't forget. So two-step right, left. As we do that, we are turning onto your right shoulder for a coaster. So right, left, coaster back. Now we're going to do the same thing to the left side. So starting with the left foot, step, right, coaster, step. And we are done. Let's do this wall. Yo, okay. So we start with that stomp. So stomp, heel and toe and heel and rock, half turn shuffle, rock left, two-step walk 360, coaster back, kickball chain, toes to the side, to right, knee up, cellular back, turn left, cellular step, and walk 2 steps to the right and the right, coaster back. Now 2 steps left and left, coaster back. Super sweet. Let's go with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Super awesome, guys. So you know how you do it. Repeat, repeat, repeat. And then again, we do have a restart on 4th wall after 24 counts. And you start all over again. You know that. So hopefully you practice it whenever you have the chance. And you put music, or you can dance with me on the demo video. Thank you.